So now I've replaced all of my gallery items with this code. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different items. We might need to expand this if you want to be able to see all that code side by side. There you can see I have all 4 items. I didn't change the titles myself yet, but you'll see that we have them here. But you'll notice one doesn't work. And so we need to look at why that doesn't work. And I found kind of an interesting little bug here. What's going on is that if you look at the file names that were downloaded, they include this #20. You can see #20 in here, and that's the code that's used to indicate a space. Well, Dreamweaver is not seeing that as code; it's seeing it as a space. So you'll see gallery upper triple falls. So one of the things that might be important is that you remove any type of code like that. And if you want to have a space in there, then what you should probably do is put an underscore instead, but make sure that you don't have #20 anywhere. Now, what I can do is relink that image to the correct items, upper triple falls, and then upper triple falls 500, and that should work now. Now I'm going to save my page and hit F12 to test this out. Now, in order to see the gallery working, you'll notice that at first it doesn't seem to work, and the reason why is because we need to activate the ActiveX controls on this page. So let's click on here for options, choose Allow Blocked Content, and then hit Yes. Now we can show the working image gallery, and you'll see it says image 1 of 4, and I hit Next, and it will go to each of the 4 images. And we now have a finished image gallery using Lightbox++. Now, we haven't done anything to space out the images from each other, and I'm not really going to worry about that right now. You will notice that these images have a hover around them, and that's because the default colors for hovers are given to these images. If we want to remove those images for the hover effects, we can click on the image and choose Border 0. And that will remove the borders from those images. The borders happen to be kind of nice, though, because it allows us to see when a hover effect happens on an image. But on images that you find on a lot of websites, you don't see those borders. So now you can see that I still get the hand tool, but I don't have any indication of a rollover. I just have to trust that when I click, it will open up the gallery. So that's just something that you can do to tweak that just a little bit. And of course, CSS would allow us to replace those hover effects using other CSS, custom CSS, and also to space out these images if we wanted to. But we're not going to worry about that right now because we have a gallery that's working. So that's it for your gallery, and let's go on to the other projects.